Pooja Bera and welcome back to my channel. Today's 10th video from hashtag Bappa series, and for today's video I'm going to be converting old dress which is toned or like zip is toned. I'm going to convert this old dress into a very sexy and elegant co-ord set which will contain a top and a skirt. So yes, I'm pretty much excited because I'm doing a DIY clothing video after long. So yeah, I got the vibes right. So before getting into this video, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe and press the bell button. And yes, without a further ado, let's get into this video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then make sure to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Comment down to let me know how was this video. Subscribe to my channel, and in case you happen to recreate this DIY, then please tag me on my social media using the hashtag DIY with Bera, and I'll love to feature you guys in my upcoming video if you do so. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.